Good morning guys, today is Tuesday, December 14 and papunta tayo sa ating pangkabuhayan showcase. Ganon talaga, ang buhay-buhay dito. And by the way, yesterday was my mom's birthday. It was so nice seeing them, so video call pictures and all that. So yeah, I'm actually on holiday, 6 days holiday kasi hindi ko alam na you need to, there's new rules apparently in like holiday or ferie here in Denmark. So my manager said I have to take those like leftover ferias or else it will just be gone. So it's also nice. Then this December, sobrang naging busy, but I'm able to get 6 days of, free from work. Kasi hindi ko nagamit yung other holidays ko. Kasi it's Corona, not allowed to travel to the Philippines. I was actually saving it so I could travel to Philippines. But then it cannot be done. But anyway, I'm happy, 6 days off. Actually, it's my, hindi ko na ala. But by Thursday, mag-work na ako ulit. So yun, pakita ko sa inyo yung weather. It's so nice. It's not so cold. Yeah, compared to the other.
It's gotta be 8-9 degrees.
It's nice. So pretty. 9 in the morning. Tapos kita mo pa yung sun there sa right side. And dito, look at the fields. Wow. Wow, may malaking truck. But anyway, it's so nice, guys. It's so peaceful. And yeah, ito yung maganda sa Denmark pa. Malinis, maliwalas, kahit maginaw. Maganda yung nature nila, very protected. Hello guys, kadarating ko lang dito sa Colony after kong nanggaling sa pangkabuhayan showcase, ganun. So andito kami sa Colony and sobrang kalat kasi nagparty kami dito guys last Sunday. Tapos, nalasing kami and so the plan was the next day, that was yesterday, pupunta sana kami dito to clean up everything. Kaya lang, medyo maingay, Smarty's making coffee for me. Kaya lang, yesterday, I got so tired, as in the whole day, natulog lang talaga ako kasi nga, di ba, I was drunk the other day. So now we're here to clean up and my God, pakita ko sa inyo yung aming kalat. The other day. Crispy pa naman din siya kahit 2 days ago. There you go. Kita nyo yan guys, yung balls dyan. Hindi pa tapos siya ng painting kasi as you all know, we are still, trying to finish this Colony Heva-Husel. So, pero naging okay naman yung party kasi may table, tapos may mga ganito-ganito, may mga design-design. Huwag lang tayong tumingin masyado sa walls. There you go. Nice. Nice. There is, 2 rooms, 1 toilet, and then dito sa side na to is bedroom. Kapi-kapi na muna tayo, guys. Because it's really cold today. Actually, an hour ago, it was warm. It was like 8 degrees. And then, may sun. Tapos ngayon, pabalik na naman tayo sa ginaw at madilim. And then, yeah, Martin made me coffee. Tingnan nyo, ang cute ng baso, oh. Christmas, Christmas. Kapi-kapi na muna tayo. What is it called, the coffee doon? Cappuccino?
That's a cappuccino.
I know, sa Italy, dapat yung cappuccino pala is a morning coffee. Ganun. Yeah, I've learned it from Facebook. No, yung friend kong isa she is traveling all the time in Italy and she said apparently the rules is the cappuccino in Italy, you drink it in the morning like a breakfast coffee and then pag lunchtime pa, bawal na daw uminom ng cappuccino or else they will look at you like you're crazy. So, pero nasa Denmark tayo and I'm a Filipina, I will drink whatever and I'm gonna eat some chips. Ito lang meron kami. No, meron palang ganito din. I don't know what it's called, but it's small cookies and apparently it's Danish tradition. Ganyan, pag Pasko.
Bjørne though.
Yeah, but I can't say it in
Pepper
Danish.
nuts.
Pepper nuts?
Directly translated, it's pepper nuts.
Yeah, but it's not nuts.
No,
It's pepper flavor.
but the
But it's not
name is
nuts.
pepper nuts.
Yeah, why is Danish so weird? So weird. Ang mga cute guys, look at this. Medyo ano kasi may... Look at nyo yung spoon. Kita ba? Kita ba? Kita ba? Yes, look at nyo yung spoon. It's also Christmas thing.
Imagine if you cleaned up the spoon.
Yeah, who cares? Daming ko cute na mga design, oh. Look. Look, it's so pretty. Candle holder. Ang dami niya actually. And different style, see? And actually, guys, when I... Clear ba? Hindi. Yeah. See? Super cute. Ang dami, mga 12 pieces ata ito. Different, ano. Ang nangyari, guys, when I held the, what is it called? Yuli Frocos Christmas lunch, nasa bahay ako noon. I felt so, alam mo, parang boring. Tapos nakita ko yung mga ka-group ko. And I was like, okay, why not have a Christmas lunch? And so I invited them. And then the next thing I know, I was just getting stressed out because, my God, I don't really have so much Christmas decoration. Kasi naman, di ba, it's just me and Martin. So I don't think it's really important to have all these Christmassy things. Unless, of course, pag may mga kids, then it's important. Pero pag kayo lang, I just don't think it's that important. So wala ako talagang mga ganun na decoration. Yeah, mga Christmas decoration. So nangyari, si Martin, tinawagan niya yung mama niya. And then yung mama niya pala, well, his mom, ang dami-daming Christmas decoration. Tapos, yeah, so sabi niya, okay, like, you can use the Christmas decoration. Tapos, most of these things is sa amin na daw, hindi na lang daw isusuli. And then, I have some decoration also given by another friend. So, yan, nakahanghang siya, ganyan. Pero yun lang talaga. But then, it's perfect. Kasi nga, nung pinag-decorate na namin dito, I found out na ang dami palang decoration. Ang iba, nandun pa sa box. Hindi na lang kasi sobrang magiging OA na. Pero it was a very good party. May mga pictures and mga videos ako na maybe I'll put in another video kasi hindi ko ginamit yung talagang camera ko, guys. I got so drunk on that day. I was just using my phone and some of my friends were also just using their phones. But I will gather everything and put it in one video pag magka-time. Ang gaganda. Look at this. Wala talagang akong alam sa mga design. Look. There. It's also from Martin's mother. Ang dami nito, guys. Mga 12, 15 pieces. Ganyan. Tapos I thought, okay, it's just something you can put on the table. Then it will look cute. Hindi pala. Oy, ang gamit pala nito yung tissue paper. Ifo-fold. Tapos ito yung parang magiging ring ng tissue paper para maganda siya tingnan. See? It's so pretty. Ang daming ganito. Popular ito dito sa Denmark. Georg Jensen. Yung mga Danish design, ganyan.
A cup of coffee in the morning, and I get the paper. I check the headlines and decide that I am bored. I check my email and I decide to can't be productive when I'm dreaming about a sheep. I go upstairs and get myself another cup of coffee. I get downstairs and then I spill it on the floor. Well, my life is grounded in a firm routine of coffee, sleep, and work. I am not boring, I just stick to what I know. Lunch hour's over and I can't stay up. I've got to drink coffee, but that's a mistake. I'd best switch to decaf or I'll stay awake. My life is grounded in a firm routine of coffee, sleep, and work. I am not boring, I just stick to what I know. Well, I am not boring, I just stick to what I know. I am not boring, I just stick to what I know. I stick to what I know. I stick to what I know. Take your order, sir, I'm taken by surprise. She's got a gentle kindness in her smile and a shining in her eyes. I need for her to see that I am not like other guys. I'll take a 6-piece McNugget and a small order of fries. Well, Jasmine, you're like the sweetest tea. You fill my heart with glee. Come on along and rescue me. Well, Jasmine, as like the deepest sea, no one could disagree. You are my fast food fantasy. Burgers with a little more cheese, and her flurries really make you freeze. She pours the coffee with the greatest of ease, while her smile warms it up a few degrees. She bakes a pie, salsa fries, supersize, makes it all look like a breeze. Oh, Jasmine, if I ask you, would you be my fast food squeeze? Jasmine, you're like the sweetest tea. You fill my heart with glee. Come on along and rescue me. Well, Jasmine, as like the deepest sea, no one could disagree. You are my fast food fantasy. Every day I see you here, it just makes me wanna swoon. I wanna buy you a Happy Meal, but is it just too soon? I know you hear this all the time, so you are probably immune. If you would be my fast food girl, I would take you to the moon. Well, Jasmine, you're like the sweetest tea. You fill my heart with glee. Come on along and rescue me. Well, Jasmine, eyes like the deepest sea, no one could disagree. You are my fast food fantasy. 2 legs